Now I'm going to show you how to use the program Quizlet. You can use Quizlet on the internet, or you can download the app on your phone. So if we start at our web page and go to the homework, it says vocabulary, you will see a link. So here this week it's vocabulary from Unit 1. I will click here. And then it will take me to the Quizlet page. You will see if I go down, there are many words on this set. There are 2 practices I want you to do. The first one is flashcards, and the second one is spell. So I will show you flashcards first. So click here, and then I will see the flashcards. I see a picture, and then I can click on the white, and it will show me the word. Okay. First thing I will do though, I want to go down here to options, click options, and I want to turn the audio on. This way I can hear the word. I can hear how to pronounce the word. I click on, and then I'm going to close this box. So you should be able to hear the words being read as you are practicing. Okay, so here's the picture, and here's the word, and I can hear the pronunciation, bow. And then I click next. Down here is the button, next. So here's the picture. I click on the white, and so it's shake hands. You can hear on the computer, they will say the words and you can listen. Then I will go to the next one. I want you, while you are doing the flashcards, to repeat after the computer, and I also want you to copy the words in your notebook. You can write the words in English and in your native language. So this picture, I'm going to click on the white, hug, hug. So I'm going to write in my notebook H-U-G, and then I'm going to write how to say that in my language. Okay, so after you do all of the flashcards, you can go back here and click back. Okay, back. And this is your options. There are many good ways to practice, but I want you to do flashcards, and I want you to do spell. So I will show you how to do this one now, spell. So here is the picture, and it says type what you hear. So I press this little microphone button, and I can hear what it says. Easy, easy, easy. So I only need to write the word. I do not need to write the sentence. So easy, E-A-S-Y. And then I click enter, and it says correct. Mr. So if I type M-R, Mr., enter, it says correct. Shake hand. Okay, let's see if that's correct. Is it correct? Enter. Enter. Incorrect, it said. So then I get to try again. I forgot the S. Shake hands. Okay, and then enter. All right. So I'm going to go back so I can do all of those for practice spelling. So for homework, I want you to do flashcards and spell. Two other ones that are fun games are match and gravity. So if you have extra time and you want to play those, I think that is a good idea also. All right, have fun and study hard.